Hi, I'm Chef Raphael. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm making kidneys. Now, kidneys is something that is simple to make, but can easily get wrong. You can easily go wrong when making them. So in this video, you'll learn my tips on how to do it. I'm grilling them. I'm the outdoors, and when I bite into one, nice and juicy. It's not dry. The reason why they get dry is it's when you overcook them. Let's get cooking. So these are the ingredients, and we have the kidney here. This is goat kidney, so that's small. They are small. If you get the beef one, there'll be a big one with some it's a funny shape, but now this is how it should be. So what I've just done is cut it into two and then opened it up like that, and a few pieces here. And then what I want to do to this, I'll add salt and pepper, which is what I have here. I also have ginger and garlic paste. I have soy sauce, I have rosemary, cooking oil, chili flakes. Chili flakes is optional, and what I would say is my secret ingredient, orange. So these are pixie oranges. They are nice. I actually picked it up because it's what I have in the house, and I was thinking, this can go well with this. So all I want to do is to mix everything into this. So starting with the salt, just a little bit of salt, because I'll add some soy sauce, and then a touch of the ginger and garlic paste, the rosemary, so just chopped rosemary like that. Chili flakes, like I said, it's optional, but it adds some nice heat. You can also use fresh chilies. Now a little bit of soy sauce. Now the soy sauce would add color. What I'm using here is mushroom dark soy sauce. I find it better than the dark soy sauce. And then a little bit of oil, like I don't know, 2 teaspoons. And then before I add the orange, I'll mix everything. So make sure everything is fully combined into this mixture. Now you can actually leave it like this to marinate. You can actually leave the pieces in this marinade overnight. But one thing I also know about marinade, sometimes you can actually cook it directly, especially when you're grilling it. And then the last one, my secret ingredient, orange. So this will add some sweetness to this, and this one I choose to add it towards the end. If you're going to put them in the fridge, you add this just before cooking. So everything is ready. The grill is hot. All that is left is now to place them on the grill to start cooking. So now the grill is hot. That's the first thing you want to make sure, that the grill is hot. And depending on your grill, like mine, the pieces can easily fall into the fire, so just be careful when placing them. Also, you want to do this on medium heat. Now, can you do this on a pan? You definitely can. Just marinate them the same way I've done. Now, you don't have to cut them open. You can also cook them when they are whole. It's just that they will cook faster like this. So they don't take long to cook, the way I've placed them. Now, depending on the thickness of the pieces, they can take on each side about 2 to 3 minutes. So we leave them to cook. I'll increase my fire slightly. The whole idea is for them to get char marks, from the open flame. In case you're using a pan, make sure the pan is really hot, and then you just pan fry them one side first. So I'll cover, and then when they are ready on one cooked, we'll flip them. And same thing, if you're cooking on a pan, cook them on the first side. When they are cooked, turn them. So far so good. This is what you want to see before you start turning them. Blood should start coming out from this side. So gently going to turn them. To cook on the second side. So I'll leave them to cook on this second side for a few minutes until they're nice and golden brown and minimal liquid coming out. So now the kidneys are ready. Be careful not to overcook them. You don't want them to be too dry. Just place them on a plate. You want them juicy. In case you see a little bit of pink or red, it's fine. So it's as simple as that. Kidneys are ready. Now, when serving it, just place some toothpick, because this is a perfect snack. Serve it with some kachumbari. You can decide even to serve it with some ugali or something else. So it can actually be a meal. So this as the meat, the kachumbari as the vegetable, and the ugali. Even my mouth is watering. Can't wait to take in. Till next time, goodbye.